So we are going to demonstrate how to perform the XLOOKUP function, and here we have a setup of NBA teams, and we want to um, look up the values for the defense rating and the offense rating for this current season 2024-2025. So let's start. Press equal XLOOKUP, press tab, sorry, and then we want to look up this value, Toronto Raptors, comma, and then we want to select the lookup array. Our lookup array is the teams in this table, so select the first cell, then control plus shift plus down arrow. It will select all the values. Don't select the column headers. Now we want to give the return array, and we want to return the defense first. Our defense is in this column. Select the first cell, control plus shift down, and it will select the whole column, and close the bracket. Since Excel returns by default the exact match values, so if you want to exact match it, don't do anything else. Close the bracket and press enter. So it will give you the value. So here you can see the defense rating for Toronto Raptors is 115.49. If we click this dot, it will fill up all the lookup values for the corresponding teams. Similarly, we can perform it again for the offense ratings. Type XLOOKUP, again tab, click the first lookup value, go to your lookup table, select the lookup column array again, and finally select your return array. This time our return array will be the offense. So we have selected it, close the parenthesis, and type press enter and click this dot. So this will return the other values as well for the corresponding team. So this is how you can perform an XLOOKUP function. I hope you learned something new, and see you in the next video. Thank you.